What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Tea Time with Tony. I'm out here today playing at Holden Hills. It's first time recording me golfing, so this is going to be interesting. I am by no means a professional golfer, an amateur golfer. I don't know if there's anything lower than amateur, but that'd probably be me. So here goes nothing. What? Now that was a good swing. That came out beautifully. That I have to mimic, so I'm gonna watch that a few times. Hey, and I found this little tea holder. Emily hair, whatever you call them. Yeah. Perfect little insert. That's where I'm gonna put the phone from now on, guys. So it's a lot better than we anticipated. Holy moly. Man, I wish I had time to set that one up. The old gentleman that were in front of me let me go in front. So I rushed over, had a killer drive, duffed it a little, left it short on the fringe. Then I hit that next shot way over, other side of the green. So I had to putt it in. I put it in from about, I'd say 40 feet. At least they witnessed it. I know you guys didn't, but c'est la vie. That was an awesome 4 save. Yeah, big sticks coming out to play finally. Nice drive. That was a beautiful drive, if I do say so myself. And since I'm playing by myself, I have to. So, here we go. Find where that beautiful ball went. Let's hope I turn this game around, all right? That par 4 save was a beautiful thing. I'll get you guys on the green soon. came off the back. You know, I can't ever get it really good. I hit it off the green a little, creeped up, and then roll back down, of course. All right, people. So just to get you back on track for where I'm at, there was a threesome in front of the old gentleman that let me go. They let me go now, so rushed through a couple of holes. Had a great drive. Hit the green on the par 3. Just rushing around, just trying to get out of people's way, which I hate doing. So it's nice when they let you go finally, because that way you can open up the game, just relax more, not have to feel like you're rushed. But just to get through those holes, sometimes it's unfortunate, because now I'm playing with, I could have had at least a 3-on-1, and I got a 4, and then I got another 5 in front of that one. So now hopefully the drive's hit nice. Hopefully I can hit a good drive here, guys. Anything you guys want to teach me? Let me know what you see. I don't. That is it. Right over there. Hopefully it's safe. There is a pond over that way. Well, there's plenty of balls in there. More than likely one of mine. Alright, well, this is where I'm dropping. Set it up, see what goes on. Should be a nice little 60-degree. I'll take it. In the hole. That's the best duff I've ever had in my life. You guys see that? It rolled right up. A few more feet, I would have got it in. That's cool. Gotta love this game. So lost ball 3. All right, see if I can sink this in. Not much to it. That's pretty much a gimme. So I'm gonna go up there, smack it in. Yep. And this is just left-handed. All right, good. All right, well, that was a nice 4. Got a 4 on that one. Snuck that one in. Not bad. I'll take it. It's a good day. Yeah, boys. Score's getting a little better. I know it sucks. I've been skipping around a lot of holes and shit, but it's what the game's. I mean, sometimes the time is. I can't be holding people up either and shit like that. So, all right, let me just grab my things I need. All right, let's get this going. I hate this hole, just so you know, but I'm gonna get my mind right before I swing, because you hate a hole doesn't mean it's a bad hole. You could just be a bad golfer. I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe because I'm playing in front of an audience. Damn, I'm smacking that drive. Oop, I'll bleep it out. That's a wall. That is not my ball. Still hunting. Yeah, that's the baby. That's the one. thumbs up, whatever you guys call it, whatever we need to do to make this happen. Let's make it happen. All right. Thank you. Like, follow, subscribe, join, comment. Let me know what you think, what I can do better. You know, hopefully I can play with other people and maybe they can hold the camera. Be kind of nice instead of me holding it. Feel like I'm in selfie mode. I've never felt more conceited in my life. But this is the way of the world, so let's get on YouTube. Let's do YouTube. All right, let's continue the drives. I'm definitely fading it to the right, but I'm smashing this shit. Let's go. Getting crisp shots. Loving it. Nice move on. Alright, really can't set up for this one, guys. So. Shorted it again.